JDCap 26 here, just do tips and beers and hobbies. And how you guys doing today? What we're talking about today is donating things to your community services. And instead of putting them on eBay or selling them on Craigslist, you can just bring them down to your community services, and they'd be more willing to accept it. They don't sell it; they give it to people that in need. So that's what I want to show you in this video. So next time you have stuff to donate, anything it could be, clothing, make sure you wash the clothing before you bring it. Dishes, which I'm going to donate some dishes, pots and pans, forks, knives, anything like that is a good thing to do. So I'll show you what I'm donating. Okay, so what we did was we took all the dishes out we didn't want and we put them in a pile. I'll show you that next. These dishes are going to be donated to the community for anybody that wants them for free. That's what you can do for your community. You can donate anything you want instead of making a profit on it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and see you next time. Bye for now.